How to save or copy your Bing chat responses. Want to export the responses from your Bing AI conversation to use elsewhere? Here how the Bing Chat website and app both keep a record of your conversation, so you can refer back to a previous or recent chat, but maybe you want to save a copy of a specific response from the chatbot to use it somewhere else. You can do with that with the website and the app. Also my favorite AI tools for work at the site. You are able to copy and paste the contents of a response as well as export it as a PDF text file or Word document. With the app you can copy and paste the text of the response. Beyond saving the text, certain formats will also copy hyperlinks. How to save or copy your Bing chat transcripts. 1. Copy and paste a Bing AI response at the website. First, up Microsoft Edge browser and browse to the Bing search page. Click the chat tab at the top to open a chat screen. Choose a conversation style, more creative, more balanced, or more precise. Ask how to use the new Bing. Type and submit your request at the prompt and wait for the response to appear. After the full response has been generated, hover your mouse over the text to display a small toolbar in the upper right. Click the copy icon, the third icon on the toolbar. You can then paste the text into another window or app. Second, export a Bing AI responses as a Word document. Another option is to export a response as a Word document. This is useful if you want to be able to preserve any hyperlinks in the response and edit and revise it as well. Also, ChatGPT versus Bing Chat versus Google Bard, which is the best AI chatbot for this type. Your prompt and then hover over the text of the response. Click the export button on the toolbar and then select Word. A pop-up window appears at which you can open or save a Word document with the full text. Third, view the Word document. Click save or save as to directly save the document to your download or document folder. Click open to view the document. 4. Export a Bing AI response as a PDF. Another option is to export the response into a PDF file. This might be helpful if you want to generate a static document that lends itself to this format, such as one you wish to print. Also, this AI chatbot can sum up a PDF and answer a question about it. Again, type and submit your prompt. After the response appears, hover your mouse over the text, click the export icon and then select PDF. 5. View the PDF. 6. Export a Bing AI response as plain text. A third option at the website lets you save the response as plain text suitable for content without any special formatting. For this, submit your prompt, hover over the response, click the export icon and then select text at the pop-up window. Choose to save or open the resulting text document. 7. View the text. Choose to open the file and it appears is in a notepad or another associated text editor.